Is Apple Pay not recognizing your Face ID when you're trying to pay either at a store or online? Here's the quick fix that works in under 30 seconds. First, when you're paying with Apple Pay, make sure you're looking directly at your iPhone screen. Apple Pay requires your eyes to be visible and looking at the phone for Face ID to work. Sunglasses can block it, so take those off. If Face ID keeps failing when you're looking at it, go to settings and then tap Face ID to rescan your face completely fresh. After resetting, also tap Other Appearance if you've changed your hair or appearance a lot. This lets you add a second face scan. Now, go to Settings and then go to Wallet and Apple Pay. After that, make sure to double click slide button is turned on. This is required for Apple Pay to even activate at checkout. After all of these, test Apple Pay again by double clicking the side button and looking at your phone. So all you gotta do is look directly at your phone, reset Face ID in settings, and make sure double click side button is on. Apple Pay Face ID will be working again, and that's it. Subscribe for more.